All right, we haven't shot video for a little while, but we just been super busy at the shop. Just want to say thanks for all the orders. We're trying to get stuff out before Christmas, the guys that we've taken months ago, so we're working hard, I promise you. But today we're going to split a little bit of wood. We got some softwood. We got some bigger stuff. That's something I wanted to show in the previous video, but I didn't have big stuff. So we're going to run some bigger stuff on the 4413. It's our high flow machine. And yeah, we got it all cut up. Some of the smaller stuff, we'll use a 4-way. The bigger stuff, the 2-way is the only way to go. So let's get her started and let's start splitting. They want it smaller? A little bit smaller? All right. This is about half throttle, so I'll let it warm up and then I'll speed it up. But really comfortable for me. I don't really want it faster, you know, right now. And notice, I do not remove these until it comes back this way. There's no need to struggle to pull them out. Just split. And while it's going, they're free. Keep in mind, I'm not removing these until the cycle starts. I don't want to struggle and waste my time with that. While the knife is moving, I can pull these out behind it and I can kind of keep moving nice and quick. It's really efficient. You don't need to struggle with it. So I'm 6'1", and if you're doing big stuff like this consistently, you probably don't want an 8-inch lift. I would much prefer a 4-inch lift, because when you get it up, you know, the wood's up to here, I would prefer it 4 inches lower, or even 8 inches lower, which would be a regular height machine at 24 inches. So this is a 32-inch bed height, a little high for the big stuff, I find. Now, we're keeping the 4-way on. It's a fairly straight grain piece of softwood, so the 4-way is fine, but if it was knotty, I put the two-way on it for sure. I'll just leave that. Now if I had the two-way on, it would never do that, but there's no need for me to struggle. Just leave it. We had a gas?
We're out of gas.
Probably should have filled it up before we started. Oh well. Let's put some gas in it. Well, that's it. Nice little stack of wood. Didn't take us very long. But there you can see a couple things. Don't get a machine higher than you want it. You know, if you're doing smaller stuff, 8-inch lift is probably fine, but the bigger stuff, go down to a 4-inch, or even regular height sometimes can be really beneficial if you're always doing big stuff. So if you got more questions about options, always give us a call at the office or see more at split-fire.com.